Scientific American thinks that math is quietly in crisis over the NSF funding cuts. So let me be very clear and very loud. This is a disaster. And I hope all of you can be loud and clear and loud with me and tell Congress that mathematics is essential for progress in the US and that without the NSF funding, we are at risk of losing an entire generation of mathematicians. This is such a self-inflicted wound, and it's so hard to understand because the total budget of NSF is peanuts compared to the entire budget of the US. This is what the budget looked like between 2015 and 2024, essentially, and this is what the budget will look like today. In particular, for mathematics, physics, and chemistry, the cuts are disastrous, specifically for physics and mathematics. The cuts will have devastating effects on all sorts of incredibly nice programs that we have here. For example, the NSF Research Experiences for Undergraduates, which is a very important pipeline that shows undergrads what research in mathematics is like, and many of them go on to do PhD level work in mathematics. Other training programs for undergrads and grad students, such as the summer school that I co-organize every other year, might not have enough funding to run in 2026. Many conferences will just not be able to happen because the NSF funds those programs, and it's a fundamental place where we talk to each other, we learn from each other, we have the opportunity to ask questions, and many of the research that happens, many of the collaborations that happen in mathematics start at research conferences. So no, we can't stay quiet about this, and we have to make sure people that make these decisions know that mathematics needs funding. It's very little funding that we need to do some great work that mathematicians have been doing, and much of that research has later seen incredible applications that are making our lives better and make the US economy stronger.